Your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 might capture great videos, but if you don't know how to use active tracking, you could miss perfectly following subjects in your shots. Many users struggle with this feature at first, but enabling and using active tracking takes just a few steps, and your Osmo Pocket will track subjects smoothly and automatically. Let's set it up right now. Method 1. Double tap the screen. This is the fastest and most common way to start active track. So turn on the camera, now simply double tap on the person or object you want the camera to follow. A green box will appear around the subject. This indicates that active tracking is locked on. Now start recording. The camera will now start recording and track the subject. Method 2. Enable Face Auto Detect. Tap on the eye icon from left middle side of the screen. Here you will get the Face Auto Detect option. Now tap on Start, and your Face Auto Detect is enabled. Method 3. Turn on FD Selfie Mode. Turn on the camera, then swipe down to bring the menu options. Now tap on the FD/tracking icon next to brightness icon. It looks like a face in a rectangle. So tap on it to enable. It will highlight to yellow color, so that you can understand that this feature is tracking your face while recording video or taking selfies. And that's it. This is how you can use active tracking on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.